Delay until they have no reasonable alternative. While delaying negotiations until the other party has no other reasonable choices might give one party a temporary upper hand, it is generally considered unethical and can lead to significant negative consequences, including damaged relationships, reputational harm, and potential legal issues. Ethical and cooperative negotiation strategies are more likely to result in sustainable and mutually beneficial outcomes. Delaying negotiations until the other party has no other reasonable choices, also known as a delay until desperation tactic, involves intentionally prolonging the negotiation process to the point where the other party has limited alternatives and feels compelled to accept your terms. Here is a detailed analysis of this approach. Ethical and relational implications. Ethical concerns. This tactic raises significant ethical issues. It manipulates the circumstances to force the other party into a disadvantageous position. Trust and good faith. Negotiations should ideally be conducted in good faith, aiming for a mutually beneficial outcome. This tactic violates the principle of good faith. Long-term relationship damage. Using such tactics can severely damage long-term business relationships, as it undermines trust and respect. Risks and challenges. Reputation risk. Engaging in this type of tactic can harm your reputation in the industry, affecting future negotiations and partnerships. Possible retaliation. The other party might recognize and resent this tactic, leading to potential retaliation in current or future dealings. Legal implications. In some business contexts, such manipulation might have legal implications, particularly if it violates contractual terms or industry regulations. Psychological and strategic considerations. Pressure and stress. This tactic can create significant stress and pressure for the other party, which might lead to irrational decisions or a complete breakdown in negotiations. Reduced cooperation. It can lead to a lack of cooperation or willingness to engage in future negotiations or collaborations. Alternatives to deliberate delays. Open and honest communication. Encourage clear and open communication about constraints and timelines from the start. Seeking fair outcomes. Focus on achieving fair and reasonable outcomes that address the needs and interests of both parties. Building trust. Develop trust through ethical negotiation practices, which can lead to more productive and long-lasting business relationships. Flexibility and creativity. Demonstrate flexibility in negotiations and be open to creative solutions that can benefit all parties involved.